Chandni Chowk Road, which is currently under redevelopment, has been notified now as a non-motorized zone, with motorized vehicles only being allowed during an emergency. According to a Gazette notification that was released on the 14th of June, no motor vehicle shall be allowed to ply on the main Chandni Chowk Road from the Red Fort to Fatehpur Mosque from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on all days.
I come to you from the national capital. On your screens is the iconic Red Fort. I am standing here at the iconic Chandni Chowk market, which is one of the most popular, one of the largest markets in the national capital. In fact, even in the entire country, this is the Chandni Chowk market. From the Red Fort right up till the Fatehpuri Mosque, which is about a 1.3 kilometer stretch. The news is that now vehicles will not be allowed on this stretch, on this entire stretch of 1.3 kilometers from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. That's pretty much all of the day that vehicles will no longer be permitted, because this area was under construction and was due to be completed by November of 2020, but due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the work had been on halt and was affected. Now, because of which a gazetted notification on the 14th of June recently stated that here motorized vehicles will not be permitted, which essentially goes on to say that here only people will be able to walk and these cycle rickshaws will be allowed to operate. Remember, this is one of the most busiest markets in the national capital. People from far and wide come to this market to shop for all their needs, from apparel to food to home items and kitchen items. This market is a one-stop shop, and this market usually is bustling with people, with thousands of people on this road and in this area. Recent decisions taken by the Delhi government is trying to put in efforts to ensure that this place is beautified and is maintained, so that people can also enjoy to coming to this market, but at the same time also ensuring that vehicles are not permitted on this stretch of the road. This will also help people to shop at ease, especially in such times. With camera person Rakesh Singh in Delhi's Chandni Chowk, Shonakshi Chakravarti for NDTV.